Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. So I'm sorry that I only got one video posted this week. It's been a crazy week. Wednesday was my birthday and yesterday I was just totally feeling under the weather. So today's Friday, today I'm filming, and when you see this it will probably be Saturday. So I'm really happy that I got this video and that I started to feel a little bit better. I still think that I might be coming down with a cold because I know Sean's got a really bad head cold right now. So cross your fingers that I don't get a head cold, because I just don't want a head cold. I just don't. And I've been pretty good for the last couple of years, so to get a head cold now would not be good. So anyways, I have two products here that I want to talk to you guys about, and they are two primers, and they are both brand new that just came out recently. I've had these products for about a week now, and I've tried them every day since I bought them. So I think I have a pretty good feel on how these work for my skin, and I can give you my honest opinions on these two primers. So before we get started, if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up at the very end and subscribe, and let's get started. So Cover FX is what I'm talking about today. They just came out with a whole line of different primers. I have been on the hunt for a really good primer for some time, and because I haven't found any good primers, I just don't use a primer. I just suck it up and I just don't use it. And so when these came out, there are so many great reviews on these products that I have to try this out for myself. So when I went to go and purchase these online, as I walked away and came back to my computer, they were sold out. Both of them were sold out completely, so I thought, oh my god. And my local store didn't have them, so I basically had to wait until these came back in stock, which only took about a day or two. And as soon as I saw that they were back in stock, I put both in my cart and I just clicked checkout, and the way I went. So I was really happy to receive these, and as soon as I received these, I went back online and they were sold out again. So obviously these are a big hype right now. A lot of people are really excited about these primers, and I can understand why. So the first product that caught my eye, and it was the first product that I seen that had all the reviews, everybody was raving about how amazing the primer was and how it's the best primer they've ever used since sliced bread, and I thought, okay, I need to give this a go. So it's called the Gripping Primer Plus Firming, and when I got this in the mail, I was so excited to try it, and of course I had to wait a day to try it because I got this around dinner time that night. So I tried this for the first time the next day, and what I did with my products before I put this on, and I think I did too many products, I did like my cleanser, my toner, I did some serums, and then I did an oil, because right now my face is really dry from being outside. It's been super dry here and so cold here in Canada, so I wanted to put a little bit of rosehip oil on my face, and then I did a moisturizer, and then I had put this on. Now it went on perfect, but when I went to go and check in throughout the day on how my makeup looked, I could start to see like on my nose and a little bit in my T-zone that my makeup was starting to separate, and it wasn't looking good, and I believe it was from that oil that I put on. So I tried the next day not using the oil, and everything was good. So I just did the moisturizer and my sunscreen, no oil, and then I did the primer, and it worked beautifully. I checked in a couple of times, and I wish, like, I don't know what I was thinking, but I really wish that I would have taken some pictures throughout the day to show you how it wore on my skin. But please believe me when I say this, my makeup stayed on the entire day. There was no wearing anywhere. My makeup was in place beautifully. Like, I just can't describe it to you guys. Like, you have to try it out yourself to really know what I'm talking about. But sometimes with the CC cream, if you can relate, or some lighter foundations, you can start to see your makeup kind of separating throughout the day when you're sweating and your oils are coming out on your face. But with this primer, and with it being called Gripping Primer, like, I totally understand what these reviews were talking about now, because your makeup literally grips onto this primer and it stays in place all day. I can't even tell you guys. You just have to try it yourself. Now the consistency of this is like a jelly-like texture. It's almost like a clear lip gloss. You know how like lip glosses are sticky and tacky? Well, this is what this is like. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand to show you, and just to give you guys a really good idea of what this is. It's clear in color, and it looks like lip gloss. Like, it's very jelly, and I don't know if you can see that, but like, it's really gooey. looking like that. And when you rub it in, I don't know if you can hear that. Like, it's really sticky, but it's not a gross sticky. Once you rub it in and you pat it into your skin all over your face, it does go right into your skin. And then once you leave it for a couple of minutes before you put your foundation on or your CC cream, it's not so sticky and tacky on the skin. So if you got oily skin, like, don't worry. This is meant for all skin types, and anybody can use this. So once you have it all rubbed in, you leave it for a couple of minutes, or 30 seconds, whatever you want to do, and put your foundation on. And once you put your foundation on your face, you're going to see how nicely it goes on. Your foundation literally grips to this primer so well. And once you put all your makeup on and your blush and your bronzer and everything, at the very end, just look at your face and you can see how well everything is just clinging on to this primer. It's such a magical product. I just was so blown away when I used it, and now I can really understand what the reviews are talking about. It's so nice on the skin, and I really wish that something like this had came out like early on, because I would have been using primers so long ago. There's no smell to this either, which I really love, and it's also vegan, so it's free of parabens, gluten, mineral oil, fragrances, talc, sulfates, and phytolates. I'm hoping that I'm saying that right. So this has a lot of great ingredients in it. The harmful ingredients are not in this as well, and it hasn't broke me out. So if you're concerned on that, I do have sensitive skin sometimes, and trying out new products, sometimes I break out. But with this primer, I haven't experienced any breakouts. So that is a huge bonus in this primer. I'm so satisfied. I am so happy about this primer. It really does what it says. I give it a big check mark on this, and like I said, I've been using it for a little while now, and it's truly changed my makeup routine, and for the better. So I would highly recommend picking this primer up. You're gonna love it. The next primer that I had to grab was the Blurring Primer Plus Pore Minimizer, and I've been having troubles finding a primer for pores, like to blur the pores, and I didn't find anything worked for me. I don't have a lot of pores. I do have a little bit like right here and a little bit on my my cheek and my chin, but I don't have anything major, so I think that's why I never really looked further into finding a really good blurring primer. But since I heard so many great reviews on that product, I knew I had to have that, and there was a lot of great reviews on this too, so I thought, why not just add it to the cart and try it out. And I'm really glad that I picked this up. This is also another check mark in this purchase. I can't believe it. Like, I am so amazed by these two primers, you guys. Like, I am like so blown away. My money was well spent, that is for sure. So with this primer, like I said, it's to blur pores, and when you open it up, it does have a little bit of a color to it, and I'll show you here. It's almost like a concealer type color. It's brown in color, but when you rub it into your skin and you pat it in, that color goes away. So you're not gonna notice it once you rub it into your face. So this one is not sticky like the other one. It's really nice and smooth, and it really does blur your pores. I was blown away when I tried this as well. Now, how I incorporate these two products, I actually do the blurring primer first, the one I just showed you. I'll put that in the areas where I have pores, so I don't put this all over my face. I just do the areas where my pores are standing out, and then I let that sit for about 30 seconds before I go in and I put the gripping primer, and then I will put that all over my face, and then I'm good to go. So this here, the blurring primer, it really does, like I said, minimizes your pores, and it's so silky and so smooth. So if you do have drier skin, you're gonna really love this, because it's not gonna accentuate those dry areas in your face whatsoever. And this is also good for all skin types as well, no different than the other primer that I just showed you. It also is fragrance free, paraben free, mineral oil, talc, sulfate, and phthalates free. And it's weightless, silky balm that blurs the appearance of pores and fine lines. And let me just say, it definitely blurs fine lines. I put it around my eye where my fine lines are, Yes, I have some. A little bit of crow's feet, and I'm telling you, it really does fill in those fine lines. So when you go and put your concealer on, and then you go and you set it with under eye powder, holy smokes. I can't even describe the appearance that it gives on your face. Like, I'm like poreless, fine line free. Like, it's amazing. Like, these two products are seriously amazing. And I'm gonna have to tell you right now, like, if you have deep pores and you do have some fine lines, definitely try this, because this might be your lifesaver. I don't have a lot of fine lines under my eyes, but I do have some that kind of bother me when I do wear makeup throughout the day. Now that I have this, it truly does fill in those fine lines. So definitely try this if you have the same issue as me. So I have tried using this alone without the gripping primer, and I've also tried the gripping primer without using the blurring primer. I've used them both together, and I've used both of them separately, and combining both together will obviously give you the best makeup possible, like the best appearance that your makeup's going to be on your face. So if you just want to get one or the other, that's fine. Definitely pick what you need the most. So if you need something that needs to cover your pores and your fine lines, I would recommend this one. But if you're somebody that just can't get your makeup to stay on your face and last throughout the day, then I would definitely just pick up the gripping primer and try that first. But if you want like flawless skin and like Hollywood skin, get those two products. I love these two, I'm telling you right now. And if you don't like these, I definitely want you to come on and like let me know why you don't like it, because every review I've read, it's all positive. I've had positive feedback on this. Definitely pick this up and try it yourself, and I would love to hear your feedback on this and if it's a game changer for you, because it's literally a game changer for me. And I'm so happy that Cover FX came out with these products, because now I can literally have makeup that will last all day. And I'm really excited to try this in the summertime when it's really hot outside and you're sweating more. That's where I'm gonna really see the test, because I definitely, just like everyone else, you sweat a lot more in the summer. So I'm really curious to see how these are gonna hold up in the summertime. So I'll probably do another video in the summer and kind of give like an updated review on these and see how these work. So anyway, I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found this helpful. Again, these are products that are definitely going to be in my skincare routine for a really long time, and I just think that everybody should have these two products in their makeup collection. I really do. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. So take care and have a great weekend. Bye.